far now?
Ijele.
I think I dey find your boy since where you dey now?
He no come today now. I send a message. He not there around anything.
He dey owe me. It's after market. Make I come collect my money.
I be say you go come tomorrow because as you see say you no dey like this. Eh?
No worry now. Tomorrow.
Ijele. Shoe. You see this? See the Lexus? See the number there? Lexus 300. It just arrived from China. On my own.
Oh, you don't buy car?
Yes, now. You know they say I'm very sharp.
Oh, congrats now.
See, Ijele, you hurry, where you dey go? Come now. You see,
See, I don't understand. See, today they very stressful.
I understand.
I know they get myself. I want to go arrange my fish and my.
I just want to make we be friends. Make we be friends. What are they find be that now?
We be enemy before. I don't understand where this one they come from.
You no go understand because see, if we be friends, you see that front seat. You go to sit down there. Me, I did the driver's side. Everywhere go dey good now.
And my bicycle they very okay for me.
Hey, relax.
I don't get problem. I don't get this kind of time.
Ijele, come now. Let me dey talk. See, you see all this big size like this. I go package and wait for you like this. See all this place like this.
You touch my nyash. You just touch me. You dey craze. If you try this again, this one is small. I go beat you up. Be craze.
Ijele no send person, chai. As she there, she like him. You know go, she be hustler.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.